Hi everyone, welcome to AI Anytime channel. In this video, we are going to see that how we can use Tavily MCP Server or Tavily API for information discovery, within n8n and that via MCP. So in my previous video, I have created how you can use Brave search, right, via MCP as an MCP server within n8n. So n8n through their community's nodes, they have started supporting MCP servers. That's what we're going to look at in this video. So if you look at here on my screen, I'm on n8n. I have my workflow. Maybe I can just name this. I already have created a video, but I'm just showing you that I was doing with Tavily, Brave, Notion, WhatsApp, Gmail. These MCP servers are really famous when you want to work with MCP servers to connect with some kind of uh, or get utilized via MCP clients, right? And that's what we are looking here. Now let me just name this something, right? Tavily MCP demo or something. Now, if you don't know what Tavily is, Tavily helps you with information discovery, right? It's connect your LLMs or Gen AI systems or program to internet. If you want to find out latest information or you want to find out information which is publicly available on internet, you can use Tavily. Not only Tavily, you can use Brave Search, you can use DuckDuckGo, you can use Perplexity, you can use SERP API, you can use SerperDev, you can use n number of other information discovery APIs, right? So Tavily is one of it. Early adopters when it comes to generative AI, era, right? I'll say something like that. Now you can just get an API, 1,000 free calls that you can get it. So let me just explain this because this is important. Now you can see I have asked use Tavily search MCP. Let me just go a bit up so you can see it. I says use Tavily search MCP tool to create a report on AGI, artificial general intelligence. And it says here is the report on AGI with detailed results. AGI report, it gives you the link so you can go and read about it. So it has been fetched from uh, Tavily. It's not only relying on the LLMs. You can see the URL, you can see the summary over here for each URL that we have got, right? AGI calculator, which is completely wrong. It's a adjusted gross income. So it has got wrong. You have to explain this better. The only first one was correct. But yeah, uh, this is how you can use Tavily. Now, if you look at this workflow, I want to explain this workflow for you. The first thing is I'm using a chat message received, right? What does this do? Whenever you ask a question, this flow will get triggered. So if you double click on this, it will show you the session ID have asked one questions, blah blah blah. Let's go back. And next is to connect a node, or connect a component or a module called AI agent. Now, when you connect an AI agent requires three minimum things, which is a chat model, a memory, and a tool. For an agent, these are the fundamentals things that you need. You need a model, an large language model, or an AI model, or any kind of model that can perform some kind of tasks for you, right? Some kind of which can give you some kind of output. So you have a chat model, and for chat model, you can see I'm using OpenRouter. If you don't know what OpenRouter is, OpenRouter helps you route to multiple LLMs. It's a unified interface for large language models. So you have options to kind of go to multiple models through a single interface. So I'm using OpenRouter chat model here. That's what I'm doing. If you click on this, in the OpenRouter, I have created an OpenRouter account by going and you can sign it off here. You can just go and sign up, get an API key from OpenRouter, and after that, you can select n number of models. You can see all the models that are supported through OpenRouter, open source, closed source, everything, right? All the models are available. Here you can see Grok is also available. You can see Llamas are available. QN is available. O1, GPTs, Mistrals, and all these models, Gemmas, all the DeepSeek, Claude, all these models are available through OpenRouter. So I have done that, created an account, and I'm using OpenRouter chat model. Now, when you double click on AI agent, make sure you have here two things you will find out. One is connected chat trigger node, and the other is define below. Make sure you have defined below, that you are defining yourself. And if you look at click on expressions, and you have to write this is the user message for the tools notification mode, and then you take the chat input. Chat input is nothing but the question that you are asking. So the question that you are asking will be bind together with this prompt user message, and that will find out the relevant tools for you. Let me show that. But make sure you do this. You define below and then this keep this in the user message. Now, in this is an interesting thing, right? Tools. If you don't know how to install this, let me show you, because maybe you haven't watched my previous video on n8n MCP. I just want to quickly show you. Come to community nodes, and in the community nodes, if you haven't installed n8n nodes MCP, you have to install this. Click install here and just write n8n nodes MCP. I already have that. I'm not going to install, but you have to install it if you don't see that. It's supported by community nodes right now. n8n is officially not providing it. Till now, I'm creating this video. Right now, next is the MCP Tavily Server and MCP Tavily Server Execution. These two tools that I have added. Okay, right? I have renamed them. You can also add a memory if you want. You can add a simple memory just to be persist in the n8n Docker containers, whatever you are using. But let me first show you this. MCP Tavily Server. So it's nothing but you have to connect this. You come here and search MCP client tool. This is what you have to click and add to this tool. So I already have added. Let me show you. Now you can see I have different things. One is the first one is Brave, the other one is different thing. The third one is Stabilize. So what did I name it? For you, you have to click on settings. Excuse me, not settings. When you're coming for the first time, you have to click on this icon. If you don't have anything, of course, it will show you to create a credential. But here you can see I have command. I have npx because it's running on node and through a remote server, and I have this argument -y Tavily MCP and this version. This is what you have to write. And in the environment, I have my Brave API key. So I'm not going to show you that. So you have to keep that there. And then tool description, keep it set automatically. And operations, keep it list tools. That's going to list the tools. Tavily search, Tavily extract. There are multiple tools that Tavily server provides. So you have to create this. It's called list tool. The next one is, again, go and click on the same MCP client, but here we're going to execute the tools, right? So double click on this, and then you keep it set automatically. This is fine. Tavily server. Now in operations, click on execute tool. In the first one, we had list tools, right? Here we're going to execute that particular tool. And then in the tool name, you click on expression and then give double curly braces. And within that, write this. It will show you from AI, and from it basically this is JavaScript expressions. Okay. Now within the from AI, you write tool and a select tool to execute separated by a comma. That's what you're gonna do. And then you click on define automatically by the model. There will be an icon that you click on, it will appear. Let me just get rid of it, right? So if I get rid of it, I'm gonna just click on it. Define automatically by the model. Let model define the tool parameters. You don't have to define it. Like what should be the does it include images? How many URLs and so on and so forth in this particular problem statements, right? Let me go back to Canvas. Now this is you get ready, your workflow is ready, you have this ready, and you can also write it back to, let's say you want to write the report to Notion. So you can go to Notion and you can just create a page, give your page URL, give your ID, and just add that to Notion. I'm not going to do that. I was just showing you. Or you can also use Notion MCP server to write it back to Notion, right? You can play around it. I will recommend you watch my video. Let me go to AI Anytime YouTube channel. I'm going to show you what should you watch. Okay, you should watch this video, MCP meets n8n, your new AI superpower. You watch this video to understand in more detail before you watch this video, because in this video, just walking you through how I just changed the Tavily and OpenRouter. In this video, we're using OpenAI models and Brave Search, but here you're using OpenRouter and MCP. OpenRouter gives you a way to, I know, change model because it's an unified interface. You can play with different models and so on and so forth. Sometimes uh, these these MCP servers on n8n might break. It might not connect with the remote server. You have to keep trying a couple of times. I have noticed this. This is a problem. Don't get disheartened thinking that you have done something wrong. Sometimes the connection are not getting established. With the remote servers. Uh, it's based on SSC, right? So make sure that you wait for it, like you try a couple of times. Don't get like disheartened that okay, this is not working, right? All right, so you can see I ask right here that, let me go a bit up. Use Tavily search tool to create a report on that tool is already available, guys, in that because I've been trying it. So it directly get it from MCP client execute tool because that tool has been listed already. So if you look at here, it says future of AI report, the future of AI, how AI is changing the world, overview, IBM, the New York Times, the future of AI, public and expert predictions, blah, blah, blah. And it gives you this report. You can write it back to your Telegram, you can send this as a message, you can send it to Slack channels, or you can send it anything, just connect it over here, right? That's what you have to do. So this is what I want to do, quickly show you that how you can create a workflow using Tavily on n8n. Very similar to what I did here for Brave, right? So I think I'm not going to create any more videos on this already available servers. We're going to create our own server and use it through n8n in the coming videos. And the MCP router video is also coming very soon, right? There are a couple of videos that I'm creating, and I'm also writing an security oriented uh, technical paper for MCP client server interactions. I'm going to give you a walkthrough once that is ready. But yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you got a glimpse of this, how you can work. Let me know if you have any question, thoughts, or feedbacks in the comment box. You can also reach out to me through my social media channel. Find those information on channel banner and channel about us. If you like the video, please hit the like icon. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel, guys. That motivates me to create more such videos in near future. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.